Okay, if you have a 2001 to 2008 Ram and you want to change out your condenser fan, a lot of the videos will show you how to do it, but you have to drain the AC and then recharge it, and it's kind of a pain. So here's a way to do it, just pulling the motor. The motor is the only thing that goes bad. The housing and the fan that comes with it will still work. So here's what you do. You get your new unit in, take the motor out, and you're going to want to make sure that the new and old motor has the same bolt pattern. That's the most important thing. So to take the fan off, you got to remember that it's backwards threads. You're going to turn that bolt to the right. After you get this fan off, you just want to look. You want to make sure that the bolt pattern is the same. Doing this job is only like 7/10 for pay, but doing it this way, especially if you're at the home and you don't have to recharge it, makes a whole lot more sense. There's two little like plastic guide pins on there. You want to make sure those line up as well. If all that lines up, you want to cut right there where I pointed out, so you can get a little bit more access to get in there and put the blower motor into where it goes. Then after that, this job is a little bit easier if you have skinnier arms or if you're a smaller person. It's only 3 bolts that you have to start. If you have a really small stubby electric ratchet, it would come in handy at this point. Otherwise, I'm just using I think it's a Steelman Pro 162 ratchet right here. It gets the job done. It's kind of hard to see. So you can see 2 of them from up top, and I'll show you where you can see the other one at. If you go over here to the right and look through that hole, bam, there is the other one right there. It's only 4 bolts to dismount the condenser from the housing, and that's what the lines look like. None of them come off, but the new fan gets put in. Then you put the motor on, and you're good to go. You don't have to drain anything.